6. Draw formulas for the first 5 members of each homologous series beginning with the following compounds. A. Formic acid HCOOH. B. CH3COCH3 aceto. C. So HCH CH2 So formic acid homologous series means differed by CH2. Homologous series means differed by CH2. Here, so by adding CH2, we can get CH3COOH. So we must write first 5 members. So first one, second one CH3CH2COOH, third one CH3CH2CH2COOH. So 1, 2, 3. So CH3CH2CH2, next one CH2COOH. So last finally CH3CH2CH2CH2CH2COOH. So these are 5 compounds with homologous series of HCOOH. Next again acetone. CH3COCH3, it is differed by CH2. So CH3COCH2CH3, so differed by CH2. So it is the homolog. Next another one CH3COCH2CH2CH3. Next another one CH3COCH2CH2CH2CH3. So 1, 2, 3. Another one CH3COCH2CH2CH2. So 1, 2, 3. CH2CH3. So last finally CH3CO CH2CH2CH2CH2 4. So we can write simply CH25 CH3. It is the 5 compounds with homolog of acetone CH3COCH3. Finally ethylene. So CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene. So differed by CH2. So by adding CH2 we can get a CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. So differed by CH2. Again CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Again CH3 CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. So 3 homolog. Another fourth one CH3. So CH2 thrice 1, 2 already. So CH double bond CH2. So 1, 2, 3. Next last one CH3 CH2 4 CH2 4 CH double bond CH2. So these 5 members are homolog series for ethylene molecule. Thank you. Please subscribe.